In this video, I will show you how to set up your very own Amazon account in just a few taps. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser, then search for Amazon. Now head over to amazon.com. Once you get here, click on the sign in option. If you already have an account, click on sign in. If you are new, click on the start here option. Now go ahead and enter your mobile number or email, then click on the continue option. If you are new, you want to click on the proceed to create an account option. Now enter details such as your name, then create a password. Re-enter your password and click on the verify email option. Now you need to solve this puzzle. After that, enter the security code that you have received in your email. Now click on the verify option. Finally, you need to enter your mobile number, then click on add mobile number option. After completing all of these steps, your new Amazon account will be created, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.